October is coming to an end, which means your seasonal vibes and festivities will quickly transition out of ghosts, ghouls, and everything pumpkin into trees, snowmen, and everything peppermint, if it hasn't already. October is the time to go all out on fall crossed with Halloween home decor, binge on classic scary movies, and indulge on sweets. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make cake pops themed from the movie It and the TV show Stranger Things.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me.
For your first step, you're going to bake a cake from scratch, from the box, and any flavor you choose. I decided to go with chocolate because it seemed the most Halloween type flavor to me. After it's done baking, you're going to slit some holes in the cake so it can cool faster, and then you're going to cut it into squares. Using a blender or anything similar, you're going to turn the pieces of cake into crumbs, or you can just use your hands, which is what I ended up doing. Take some frosting, homemade or store-bought, and mix some into the crumbs until you get a good consistency. Roll some balls out evenly and divide them into the different styles you want to make. Now for the special shaped cake pops, you're going to mold them as close as you can to the figure that you want. For my waffle shaped cake pops, I just smushed the ball with my thumbs until it got evenly flat. For my Pennywise cake pops, I shaped off his face, indented the eyes, and added some cake to make his hair. Lastly, for the red balloon cake pops, I just made a more oval shaped ball. Next, you're going to melt some white chocolate into a bowl, and with some cake pop sticks, dip the ends into the chocolate and stick them into the cake pops. Stick them in the fridge and let them cool for a few hours, or preferably overnight. Once the cake pops seem cool enough, dip the ones that you need in white into the melted chocolate and then prepare your food coloring for the other parts. For old and new Pennywise, I mixed some red chocolate in a separate little bowl and covered his hair, and then with a toothpick or a knife, drew out some features of his face like his mouth and nose. For the Stranger Things Christmas lights, I mixed some green chocolate and drew out the string lights all around the cake pop. And then I mixed some yellow and blue chocolate and made some little dots throughout the green string to make the light bulbs. For the balloon, I just dipped the cake pop in red and that was it. So for the waffle cake pops, I indented some squares to get that waffle effect and it looked really cute, but then it broke. So I covered another flat one with white, then yellow chocolate, and with a stick drew out the lines and it ended up looking really good. There you have it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you give it a try as well for your Halloween party or even for your night in. Obviously mine weren't perfect, but it was still a lot of fun to try out. Let me know which cake pops you guys like the most, and if you're new to this channel, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.